Hi guys, in this video you are going to see how to add the glow for the text in Adobe Premiere Pro in different ways. And the beauty part of this one is you don't need any plugins to use this. It's all inbuilt features. And in between the video, I'll also tell you how to save this effect as a preset file so you don't need to create again from the scratch. So let's start. All right, I opened the Premiere Pro and I added a black layer. So to create the text, on the left side, you can see the panel here, type tool, click on it and press one time anywhere on the program. Then type the text. After creating the text, press anywhere on the sequence panel, select that layer or double press on it so that the properties panel will be opened. If in case you are unable to see the properties panel, on the window from here, you can enable it. Then select the text and make sure you adjust everything perfectly. Even if you want, you can change the font and everything. So the first process is using the Gaussian blur. Yes, you heard that right. For that, you need to duplicate this layer by pressing the Option key on Mac. For the bottom layer, not the top layer, for the bottom layer, we need to apply the effect called Gaussian blur. If you go to the effects panel, from there you can see this effect, apply the effect here. Don't worry, it looks like too much messy and too much over glowing. To control that things, go to the effect controls panel. Again, you can enable or disable from here guys, from the Windows section. Under the effects control panel, scroll down and you can see the Gaussian blur option. From here, decrease the amount to less than 10. For some text it works, even though it won't work, I'll tell you one more tip here. So I'm making it as 10 only for reference. Next, what you have to do is scroll down and you'll see the opacity section. From here, you can control the opacity. So as you can see here, now the text is looking much better. Before, after. Before, after. So this is the first step. And also to save this as a preset file, under the effect controls, scroll down and you see the Gaussian blur, right? Here, right click and choose Save Preset. A window will be opened like this. You can give the name what you want and save it. Next time, if you want to apply this effect to any text that you created, go to the effect panel and search that. You will find that effect. Now coming to the second way, we need to delete this duplicate layer. Only one layer we needed. So in the latest Premiere Pro software, you already know the film impact dashboard is added guys. So this is the dashboard. If in case you are unable to see the dashboard, go to the Windows and then extensions. From here you enable the film impact dashboard. So this is how the interface will looks like. Go to the search and type glow. You will see a lot of options here, almost like five are there. Yeah, in this one you need to apply this wonder glow to the text. First select the text layer, then hover the mouse and click on apply. That's it. If you go to the effect controls panel and scroll down, you will see under the wonder glow, this box surprise me. Click on it. It will change different styles, as you can see here. Wow, everything is looking perfect and good. If in case you want to adjust, yes, you can adjust it. There is no problem in that by using the settings here. And if you want to save particular effect as a preset, yes, you can do that. Right click on the wonder glow, then choose save preset. Again, the same window will be opened like this, like I showed you in the previous, right? Gaussian blur. You need to give a name and save it. And next time you go to the effects panel, there you search it and drag and drop that to the text layer. That's it guys. This is how you can create the text glow effects in Adobe Premiere Pro without using any external plugins. It's all free, it's all inbuilt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and also share this to fellow video editors or the person who is learning video editing in your community. Thanks for doing this. I'll see you again in another video.